Zyrus Engineering, known for its projects based on supercars, decided to prepare a body kit for the Volkswagen ID.Buzz is an electric vehicle that began to be assembled at the Hanover plant in early June. The daily trip to school or grocery shopping should no longer be boring, says Radni Molampour, CEO of Zyrus Engineering. He added that the company already has several orders for a body kit for the ID.Buzz. The kit includes carbon fiber bumpers, sill plates, and a rear spoiler. The developers assure that the body kit is even capable of increasing the car's range, as it improves aerodynamics. Customers can choose a glossy or matte design or order body color painting. 22-inch carbon wheels can be purchased separately. The body kit costs €11,900. The wheels will cost another €4,999. Sales will start in early 2023.